All right, boys and girls, welcome back to the drive-through. Special shout-out to Marley, who's 7 today, and special shout-out to my Second Bell for the best happy birthday rendition I've ever heard. Give it up for Second Bell! Yeah! All right, this is number 9 from section 1.8. It's important that you understand that this is not, there are almost 1,000 answers to this question, and that's what makes it so confusing to people. And what you're really trying to understand is two things. One, the chain rule. So connected events affect each other. Okay? So if I fail a class, then I don't get my license. If I get caught cheating, then I get a 0 on a test. If I get a 0 on a test, then I fail a class. Do you understand those 3 events? Well, what conclusion could you draw if you got caught cheating? You're not getting your license. But couldn't you also draw the conclusion that you're going to fail the class? And that's why there's more than one answer for these types of questions. Does that make sense? The other thing it's trying to get you to understand is that if a conditional statement is true, then its contrapositive is also true. And the weird thing about that is a true if-then statement in itself. It's like inception. So let's go back to our classic if-then statement. If I live in Cincinnati, then I live in Ohio. What is the contrapositive to that statement? The contrapositive is if I don't live in Ohio, then I don't live in Cincinnati. Okay? Both of those are true. Does that make sense to you guys? So all it's asking us is to draw a conclusion. Let's see. C takes you to not B. Not B, can anyone tell me what not B takes you to? You see how you can go backwards there? Because of the contrapositive? So not B takes you to not G, and then we get stuck, right? There's nowhere we can go. We don't know where not G takes us. So one conclusion we can make is that C takes you to what? To not G. But you could have also started somewhere else. Let's see. P takes you to F and you get stuck. But where does not F take you? Nope, that doesn't. Not F takes you to not P, right? No, not F does not take you to C. F takes you to C. From this one here, we can gain that F takes you to C. So let's start with F. F takes you to C. C takes you to not B. Not B takes you to not G. So we could also conclude that F takes you to not G. Okay? Yes? Yes, since P goes to F, you could also say that P takes you to not G. Excellent. Okay? So that's what they're looking for, but notice there's more than one answer to that. Can I get a boom?